Cyclone Tukte 2 killed in Kerala as storm intensifies. Cyclonic storm Tukte, pronounced Tote, in the Arabian Sea is expected to intensify into a very severe cyclonic storm by May 16, with wind speeds expected to touch 160 kmph by May 17. Heavy rain accompanying the storm claimed 2 lives in Ernakulam and Kozhikode districts of Kerala and forced more than 2,000 to move to 71 camps. The state recorded an average rainfall of 145.5 mm on Saturday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said, citing data from the India Meteorological Department, IMD, with the power and agriculture sectors reporting heavy damage. Cyclone Tukte, IMD issues red alert for 9 districts in Kerala. The storm moved northwards and lay about 250 km southwest of Panjim and 620 km south-southwest of Mumbai. The Lakshadweep Islands and the Ghat districts of Tamil Nadu also received significant rain. Rain is expected to intensify in coastal Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat over the next 48 hours, causing damage to plantations, thatched houses and roads. Fishermen have been warned to stay off the sea. The IMD expects Tukte to touch the Gujarat coast between Porbandar and Nalia around May 18 afternoon or evening, with wind speeds increasing to 175 kmph. Current forecasts show heavy rain in the coastal districts of Gujarat, including extremely heavy rainfall in Junagadh and Gir Somnath and heavy to very heavy rain in Saurashtra, Kutch and Diu, Junagadh, Porbandar, Devbhoomi Dwarka, Amreli, Rajkot and Jamnagar. Cyclone Tukte, Navy deploys rescue teams in Kerala. IAF puts assets on standby. The IMD also warned of storm surges that could inundate coastal areas of Morbi, Kutch, Devbhoomi Dwarka and Jamnagar districts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on May 15 reviewed the preparedness of states, central ministries and agencies concerned and asked them to ensure all were safely evacuated. At a meeting that included Home Minister Amit Shah, Mr. Modi directed officials to ensure special preparedness on COVID management in hospitals, vaccine cold chain and other medical facilities, on power backup and storage of essential medicines, and to plan for unhindered movement of oxygen tankers, said a statement from the PMO. Storms are common in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea in May, ahead of the monsoon onset, though climatologists have said there is an increase in the number of such storms in the Arabian Sea in recent years. Tukte is the 4th cyclone in as many years over the Arabian Sea in the pre-monsoon months. This is being attributed to a rise in average sea surface temperatures driven by global warming. With inputs from Tiki Rajvi and PTI.